Good morning, all you beautiful people. It's now 5 o'clock, 26th of July, and we lost our light. There we go, perfect. Okay, so we're waiting for some friends. Sorry for the sound of my voice. I have a big cold. We're on our way to Lesotho to go to Afriski and do some snowboarding. Thank you, Manley, for that awesome song. Oh yeah, this is my new Pokemon hat. I'm going to Afriski to catch some snow Pokemon. Wish me luck. Okay, we just arrived in Kimberley. It's now almost 9 o'clock and we're stopping at Kimberley's only proper coffee shop, Angel Coffee. Looks shaky, but inside, beautiful. Yeah. Okay. Hello.
How are you, sir?
Good evening, guys.
Man, dope cap, yo.
Yeah,
Lifesavers. It's my Pokemon hunting cap.
Your
Yeah.
Pokemon? You have
Yeah.
I guess you found 3 of them.
Oh,
What's
nice.
up?
Nice.
Yeah, this is
Griffin,
like...
the only one Czar. You know
It's not a
Charles.
Zard.
Griffin, the
Oh, you have a
only one
Charizard. Nice.
I'm Griffin, the only one Czar. I'm like second cousin, 3 times removed without the evolution.
Shit.
Short,
No, short's for tall for me.
short for tall for you.
Yeah.
And I don't know why do short people always order tall, guys? That's what I want to know. That's like
Compensating.
You're compensating.
Come here, my dear friend. Oh, lifesaver.
Kan ik nog een sit-up jullie?
Wat anders is doen?
Stop!
Wow. To take obligatory Afriski selfie. Okay, 90 kilometers from the border. We don't have much time because the roads are quite icy. Never driven on icy roads before, so yeah, wish us luck. Okay, we're now at the border control. It's a quick, easy process. Quite chilly already. Can't wait to see Afriski. Connecticut.
Yes, ready.
Born ready.
Border ready.
Okay, that was easy. Well done, South Africa. Everything computerized. I'm unfortunately still sick. Bit of the sneezes. Hopefully by tomorrow it's over.
Yes. 42 kilos.
Yes, up in the cameras. So far it is. Driving in snow for the first time. Here it comes.
It's epic! So excited! I love it!
Slippery. Stuck in a convoy. We literally made it just in time, it seems. Quite scary, quite cold. There's a convoy at the back. I hope we can get over the mountain. I'll be very disappointed if we can't get over the mountain there. Also not sure where we'd go if we can't go over the mountain. Hoe voel je sneeuw voor de eerste keer?
Ja, dat is correct.
Huh? Magical. Yes. Possibility we can't go over the mountain.
Daar is beweging, man.
It looks like the car was moving now,
Ja,
right?
neem vir ons die af.
Yeah, keep it as even as possible, and your gears as low as possible. Speed as low as possible.
And how far is the?
If you go downhill, make sure that if you need to use your brakes, because sometimes these things tend to run away with you. Right from the top, keep your foot on the brakes and keep it just even and let it go.
Okay.
Neem hom af.
No smiling.
Douchebag.
Okay, we got stuck. Had to leave the trailer at the top. Oh my, that's weird. Sure. These nice gentlemen luckily arrived to save us. Otherwise, we had to sleep in the car tonight. Cheers, guys.
Pull a little bit back soon,
I hope so.
then we'll pull your trailer
Okay.
and maybe we'll see if we can drive the car through, but if you have, just please hang tight here.
Yeah, sure. Yeah,
You're
easy.
safe.
No problem. Thank you so much. Bye. Okay. You heard the man? The trailer is way up there at the top.
Full on snowstorm.
Now we have to wait. Walking up the mountain, fetching some beers. Oh, area is so fun. Can't breathe. Found it. Another fork in the road.
Dus ik wil wel uitstel met bieren nu.
Wat? Wys die ou?
For fork's sakes.
Wel almal breek nou want
Go and check out what's the hold up. Got stuck 4.5 kilometers from the Afriski in Lesotho. Apparently, this is the start of the ski slope anyway. They're coming to fetch us. Oh man, that was quite stressful. I'm feeling sick now. Quite stressful. The cars must wait. I don't know. Extreme selfies. 4 kilometers to go. And Afriski is about 5 meters down there.
kyk flieks terwyl ons wag in die kar.
Want my blue Cheers. Oxbow. We're in Oxbow now.
Jenny to Afriski.
We're in Oxbow. Not bad for someone who woke up at 4 o'clock, drove through snowstorms, no experience, all the pressure of 5 lives. Well done. Good sir. Well done. No, it's fine. So this is a room, a cozy room here at Oxbow. With the craziest hiccups. Exhausted after an incredible day. Yanni won a table tennis tournament against Squibbers now.
Yes, that was fun.
I'm absolutely exhausted. Going to the bed. Remember to celebrate this not success. You guys have an awesome
Happy
night.
snowing.
Bye.
Bye.